Good afternoon, it's Dave at All Things Important Reviews, and I've got another unboxing. Let's have a look at this one. This is actually a dive watch. Let's have a look inside. Got the polystyrene out of there. Now I've shipped this in from America. I got it in an excellent deal online. I've never used, these are a micro brand called Alexander. Now this watch does actually retail, beautiful case. This watch, wow, this watch does actually retail at around $1,000. However, I got it a lot cheaper than that. Let me just try and take this off dead quickly. Wow, that is pretty sick. Now it is actually a quartz. It's a 200 meter professional diver. Obviously two-tone. I wanted it in the two-tone. I felt as though it looked a bit boring in the black or blue, plain coloured. Screw. So it's 42 millimeters nominal, but with the case not having this super style case. Look at them curvature on them lugs. Now I don't actually like lugs that are super curved like that generally. However, with it having the slightly bigger size, it's okay. The Submariner style cases that are super, chunky and big, when you get into 43 mil with that equivalent case, it does become a little bit heavy on the wrist as an all day, everyday watch. But I like this one as well. It's got, scissor deployant clasp with push buttons. It's four micro adjusts. Screw links. It has got screw pins. It's not got a bloody pin and collar system, and it's got solid end links, completely solid. It feels extremely well made, I have to say. Now I got this in an excellent deal, and you can still get some online in an excellent deal. Brand new, obviously. I got it a lot cheaper than $1,000. I actually got it less than 300 quid. It's got sapphire crystal, and it's obviously got a dive bezel. It's not a ceramic bezel. Bezel feels great. Tiny bit of back play there. Everything seems to be aligned excellently. It does say it's Swiss made there, but this did come from America. Yeah. I'll wear this for a couple of weeks and I'll get a review up if it's any good. There is another watch that they do that I've been looking at, which is the Journeyman. The name of this watch, it's got a funny kind of Greek name, I believe. I can't find it. I think it's called the Alexander Vathos. Vathos. Yeah, I do wish they polished the center links, but a lot of companies don't like to do that when it's a two-tone for some reason. Don't know why. Maybe it's a cost issue, maybe it's not. The crown is signed. So yeah, so I'll get this on my wrist. I'll get it worn for a few weeks and I will do a full review. This is a quartz model. I don't think they do an automatic diver, but so far so good. I love quartz watches at this price point. I really like them because I don't like the inaccuracy of these NH35s and all that. They're so inaccurate as a daily driver. It's not for me. Don't get me wrong, I do buy them, but I like the accuracy that I get with a quartz of a few seconds a month that I'm lost. Apparently the loom on this thing is outstanding. Obviously it's been in a box for a few weeks, but I will get it all shown in a review. Thanks a lot. Thanks for checking my videos out. I've got about 5 new watches coming in shortly that I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing. Thanks a lot for checking my stuff out. It's Dave.